Hey everyone, in this video today what I bring to you is the ECX Temper Gen 2, my upgrades that I'm going to be doing here. I've already disassembled this off camera. It's very simple. You're just going to be taking this top off, and then we're going to be removing the ESC/RX. I've already removed this cover in here, and so that I can get my battery in here, because there's no need for it to stick down. Give it some more clearance on the other side. We're going to be putting some lights in up here. Customized my interior a little bit. Got an ONYX 4-amp brushed ESC, and I'm going to put some connectors on that. Got some K&N brass hexes. Alright, here we are. I've installed a clear Lexan, glued it in place, installed my lights, hot glued them in place, ran my wiring back. I cut it open. I'll put a picture up there what it looked like prior to. I'm going to tie in my roof lights into it. I got to extend this just a little bit, tie it into this lighting, and then plug it into the receiver. Installed the receiver, removed all the electronics, as you can see. Installed I was mistaken before, so we got the K 8mm hexes, brass hexes. Installed those. Looking good so far. Alright, she's looking pretty good. Coming together nicely. Everything's soldered up. Just give you a heads up, yellow wire from the ESC goes to the black wire, and the blue wire goes to the red wire. Originally I had them plugged in backwards. Set up my endpoints on my Radiolink transmitter. Everything's looking good. All I got left is to finish up my lighting. Got that all looking good. Extended it. Hot glued it in place. Coming together nicely. So update on the wiring. The white wiring coming from the lights I added is the front headlights, which you can see here, which tie into my LEDs on the roof now. And then the red wire from the LEDs on the roof go to that white wiring. And then the switch that comes with the wiring is the black wire to those. And then you take all your red wires, minus obviously, so then you take your red wires to your power wire, and then your black wires all tie together. So black wire from the switch to your white wires, and red wire to the roof. Black wires go to the switch and to the power wire on your receiver, and your red receiver wire goes to the red wires and to the switch. Hopefully that makes sense. And you'll end up with this. Here's the lights. It's going to be bright. Alright guys, everything is complete. Lights are on. Tucked in a Lipo in there. Fits nice and tight. Works. Also, all the electronics are all in. I didn't do a servo at this time. Brand new ESC. Tucked in all the wiring all nice and pretty. paired it with a Radiolink RC4GS. I put my pit bulls with my B-locks on there. Then I'll be running it with these stocks that I modified. That was in a previous video. Stay tuned for an upcoming review of running with the new electronics. Other than that, thanks for watching. Enjoy. Get out and do some RCing and enjoy some building.